Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter ERR connection aborted error in Chrome browser, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first and foremost solution is you need to deactivate the third-party antivirus software. So if you are running a third-party antivirus software like Norton, Kaspersky or McAfee, this usually causes a hindrance to the uh, website to load into the system, and that is why you get this error. So you need to remove this third party antivirus software. Anyways, the new Windows virus antivirus is quite good enough. It's a quite robust system. So I suggest that you use the stock Windows antivirus that comes pre-installed in the system. The second thing you need to do is to disable any extensions. So for that you can click on the three buttons, and the steps I'm telling you to disable the extensions are the same for all browsers. I'm using Edge. You can use Google Chrome, or you can use Opera, Mozilla, Firefox. So you need to go down to extensions, click on manage extensions, and then make sure it's switched off. Especially if you have any security plugins like McAfee plugin or the Kaspersky plugin, then make sure that you just delete them, and this error should no longer show in the system. If that too doesn't work, then the final thing we can do is reset the browser. So this is again the same for all platforms. Right click on the three buttons, go to settings, and then you need to click on this and go to reset settings. Click on this and then click on reset, and then restart your browser again, and this error should no longer appear. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.